Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the step down chopper. Okay, as I said in the last video, the chopper is said to be step down if its output voltage is less than the input voltage. Okay, so for that case, consider circuitry. Here we are having a Vs which is equal to DC voltage. It is a fixed DC having a magnitude of Vs volt. Okay, here we are using a switch. This switch SW, it may be anything. It is a MOSFET, it may be IGBT, it may be a thyristor, etc. Okay, next this switch is known as a chopper. Switch is known as a chopper because when switch is in the on state, the supply voltage will appear across the load, and when switch is in the off state, the load voltage will be zero. Okay, so accordingly, yes, this switch is chopping the supply voltage, so that's why it is known as the chopper. Okay, next here the load is a V0. Suppose the load is a resistive. Suppose load is resistive. Okay, resistive load, for example, resistive load, voltage across load is V0, current flowing through the load is I0. Okay, here V0 is the voltage across the load, I0 is the current flowing through the load. Okay, now during 0 to t on, during t is equal to 0 to t on, the switch is in the on state. T on to t, the switch is in the off state. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the circuit operation. So suppose during t is equal to 0 to t on, t is equal to 0 to t on. Yes, so during t is equal to 0 to t on, as I said, the switch, or let us consider chopper, is in the on state. Okay, so when chopper is in the on state, yes, chopper is in the on state, at that time the supply will be connected across the load. Okay, so equivalent circuit, it will be like this, right? Chopper is in the on state. Here we are having a load, right? As I said, the load is resistive. Okay, yes, it is a load here. Positive plate of the supply, negative plate of the supply. This is the Vs. Here it is a chopper which is in the on state. Okay, this voltage is V0 and current is the I0. Okay, this is the load. Next, if we apply KVL, right, we can write plus Vs minus voltage across the chopper, which is in the on state, so voltage will be 0, minus V0 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a plus Vs minus V0 is equal to 0. So this implies, yes, V0 is equal to Vs. Okay, the output voltage is same as that of the supply voltage during 0 to t on, right? During 0 to t on, output voltage is same as that of the supply voltage. Okay, again, as I said, the load is resistive, so therefore can we write V0 is equal to what? I0 into R. Okay, so therefore I0 is equal to V0 by R is nothing but Vs by R. Okay, so I0 waveform, yes, it will be Vs by R. It is having a magnitude of Vs by R during 0 to t on. Okay, next, from t on to capital T, during t on, from t is equal to t on to capital T, if we check from t is equal to, from t is equal to t on to capital T, from t is equal to t on to capital T, yes, if you check during this interval, the switch is in the off state or chopper is in the off state. Okay, so when chopper is in the on state, the equivalent circuit will be like this. Yes, chopper is in the off state. Here we are having the load, right? Here it is the load, and this the negative plate of the supply. Okay, this is a plus minus Vs. Here we are having this chopper. This voltage is V0, current is I0, and here it is a load. Okay, so if you check, chopper is in the off state. Okay, chopper is in the off state, so therefore we can write it as a I0 is equal to 0, so therefore I0 is equal to 0 ampere. If I0 is 0, what about the V0? V0 is equal to I0 into R, so is also equal to 0 volt. Okay, so during t on to t, V0 and I0 both are 0. During t on to t, V0 is 0, I0 is also 0. Okay, next, at capital T, again the switch is turned on, right? T to t plus t on, the switch is turned on. When switch is in the on state, yes, output voltage will be same as that of the supply voltage, means the same cycle goes on repeating. Okay, so here if you check, the supply is fixed DC, right? And the V0, that is the load voltage, it is having a pulse non-zero, 0, non-zero, 0. So by varying the on time, we can vary the effective DC voltage, that is a V0 average for this circuit. Okay, now we are going to derive the expression for V0 average, right? So here V0 average is equal to average value of the load voltage. Okay, V0 average, we can write V0 average value of the load voltage, yes, is equal to what? 1 by T. If you check the periodic time, it is a 1 by T, right? Total periodic time is T. Okay, so it is a 1 by T, integration from 0 to T. But in that, the what is the effective interval? Effective interval is 0 to T on. Okay, so we can write it as 1 by T, integration from 0 to T on, right? During 0 to T on, what is the V0? It is a Vs into dt. Okay, so if we simplify it as S is equal to Vs by T into S T, here it is a T, limit 0 to T on. Okay, so is equal to, we can write it as this, should be T only. Okay, so this is equal to, we can write Vs into T on by T, or we can write T on by T into Vs. Okay, and this can be written as T on by T is nothing but the duty cycle. Okay, so we can write V0 average. Yes, V0 average can be written as, yes, therefore V0 average is equal to duty cycle D into Vs. Okay, where D is equal to T on by T, that is the on time of the switch or the chopper, divided by total time T, right? On time of the chopper divided by the total time. Total time means T on plus T off, right? T on plus T off, that is nothing but the total time. Are you getting the point? Okay, so if you check during 0 to T on, yes, the chopper is in the on state. During 0 to T on, yes, chopper is in the on state. T on to T is in the off state. It is in the off state. Okay, so here we are having V0 average is equal to D into Vs. Okay, V0 average is equal to D into Vs. So again, if you check, yes, what is the D? D is equal to T on by T. Okay, so if you check the ratio T on by T, definitely it will be always less than 1, right? It will be always less than 1 because T is always greater than T on. Okay, so D is less than 1 means what? Average value will be less than that of the supply voltage, right? Average value will be less than that of the supply voltage. Is this clear? So V0 average is equal to D into Vs. So that's why it is known as the step down chopper, right? As V0 average is always less than Vs. Okay, so therefore it is known as a step down chopper. Step down chopper. Okay, so if this is the V0 average, what is the I0 average? We can write I0 average is equal to V0 average by R. V0 average by R, right, is equal to D into Vs, duty cycle into supply voltage, divided by R. That is nothing but what? I0 average. That is nothing but the I0 average. Are you getting the point, right? Similarly, we can find the expression for V0 RMS as well. Okay, V0 RMS also, right? We can write V0 RMS. V0 RMS is equal to what? V0 RMS is equal to 1 by T integration from 0 to T on. 1 by T integration from 0 to T on. Yes, it is a Vs square into dt to the power 1 by T, 1 by 2. Okay, square root of mean of squared value. Okay, so we can write it as is equal to Vs upon root T. Okay, into, yes, it is a time T, 0 to T on. Okay, to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so is equal to, we can write it as Vs by root T into root T on. Okay, so what is the root T by root T on by root T? We can write it as root T on by root T, nothing but, yes, can be written as is equal to under root T on by T into Vs, that is nothing but under root D into Vs. Okay, this is what V0 RMS we are having. Okay, RMS value of load voltage, RMS value of load voltage. Is this clear? Okay, next, what is the RMS load current? Yes, we can write I0 RMS is equal to V0 RMS divided by R is equal to what? Under root D into Vs divided by R, right? Under root D into Vs divided by R. This is nothing but I0 RMS, right? This is nothing but the I0 RMS we are having. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is about the step down chopper. Now, why we need to convert the chopper to the DC to DC converter, that is from step down chopper to the buck converter? Because if you check the V0 and I0 waveform, here at T1 the V0 is suddenly decreasing from Vs to the 0 value, and at T it is suddenly increasing from T0 to the Vs value. At the same time, the I0 is suddenly decreasing at T is equal to T1 from Vs by R to the 0 value, and at T it is increasing from 0 to the Vs by R. Okay, so here we are having the suddenly decrease in the current, suddenly decrease in the voltage, suddenly increase in the voltage, suddenly increase in the current. Okay, so if we apply this voltage, or if we apply this V0 and I0 into the load, so whether it will affect on the load performance? Definitely. Okay, suppose if we apply this circuit or this waveform to any load, DC load, okay, then it will affect the performance of the load, so it will degrade the performance of the load. Okay, so in order to avoid it, generally a inductor is connected here, and here a diode will be connected, inductor will be connected here, inductor, and here it is a diode will be connected. Okay, then we can say that the circuit will be referred to as a buck converter, right? Buck converter. Is this clear? So in the next video we are going to discuss about the buck converter. Thank you.